baby. Get a lunch. YouTube, welcome back to another video, man. As y'all can tell, we're back at the infamous spot, and today we got the F87, a special guest, my boy Leon. Yo. Then we got my boy me in the T82.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But let's get right into it. All right, let's get it. It's wet outside too, Chuck. You already know. I'm in that two-wheel drive, baby. Y'all showed so much love on the last one, man. I feel like I gotta. And of course, y'all lost my phone when I did. Oh, here it go. So I had to bring it back, baby. Make sure we looking good. Yes, sir. How's everybody's day going, man? For all my people that's living in Atlanta, I hope y'all staying dry. I don't know what the hell going on, but it's been raining like crazy. And it's supposed to rain for like the next 10 days. And a couple of y'all, we gonna put it back in 4-wheel drive. But a couple of y'all were wondering in the last video, like, yo, why the police don't be doing nothing? It's my exhaust. They got bigger shit to worry about out here in Atlanta, I ain't gonna lie, than a fucking exhaust. Y'all see the damn buckhead bars. Look at that shit. Look. Oh, damn, nigga! That nigga was throwing up. But if we get an exhaust ticket, so freaking be it. I got it trying to entertain my niggas. Y'all my brothers, man. So as long as I go out like that, man, that's all I care about. But yeah, man, we back at it. And y'all hear that? What the fuck is that? Uh-oh. What that is? What is it, 392 Durango? Me don't know. It's a little earlier than the last time we did it too. That's why it's a lot more cars. It also is a holiday weekend, so I'm already knowing them cops is out. So as y'all watching this, pray for your boy. Pray for your boy. Yeah, man. Yeah, but y'all show love on the last one, man. So I said I gotta come back for my niggas. many potholes in Atlanta, bro. Like, that shit is so aggravating. What the fuck is he drunk? Little two-wheel drive action. See, when it's moist like this, I love to slide my car because you get infinite tread. Alright, it be hella potholes on this side. So. Gots to be more careful. Definitely feel good outside though. Leon need to catch up. Did y'all see that nigga throwing up? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. If y'all ever go out, that's the last, a man, bro, that's the last thing you want to do, bro. Y'all should know y'all's limit, bro. Don't ever go out and be throwing up in front of the girls, bro. In front of the hoes. Don't ever go out and throw up in front of the hoes. Like, come on now, bro. You a man. Whatever girl saw him do that shit, that's just another girl that he ain't about to get that night. Like, leave that throwing up and overly drunk shit to the women. Not gonna lie. Know your limit. I ain't saying don't go out and get drunk, but don't go out there and embarrass yourself. Know y'all's limit. Wise words from the pig. Everybody spam L Leon in the chat. Spam L Leon in the comments, because this nigga is nowhere to be found. There he is. I'm trying to take the same exact route I took. And there was a turn that I made last time. Ooh, nice little scatty patty. Nice little scatty patty. Not gonna lie, I think it's right here. My bad, Leon. Spinning in third. What is up with that car? Man, if you don't rip that shit off. Intake sounding good, boy. fucking shit. I don't know if y'all peeped, but I was rubbing my eye. Shout out my brakes. But yeah, why was he doing that? Why would he do that to us, chat? Why would he dare do that to us? That shit is roaring through the city. Got to be more careful. I've been thinking about getting a new exhaust too, Chuck. I've been seeing a lot of ones that I like. I know y'all heard me talk about the FHD one that Valvetronic is releasing. I'm hearing helicopters and I'm seeing a cop. That was not me, officer. I'm gonna put my shit in eco and prove it that it was not me. I remember a cop pulled up to me. He's like, I know that was you. I was like, no, that was the super in front of me, because it was super in front of me. And I put it in efficient, and I started revving it for him. I said, see, my car doesn't pop like that. Ooh. I'm gonna start putting a mic on my intakes, y'all. They just be sounding so good. Sounds like fucking allergy season. Let's get a little long, shall we? But I'm about to start changing up the videos a little bit, y'all. Like tomorrow I'm doing a different type of video, because I don't want to just keep spamming the POVs on y'all. So tomorrow I will be filming something different, and hopefully y'all like it, because I'm really trying to stay consistent. What the fuck was that, Leon? I don't know if y'all hear all them sirens, but the city is definitely active. Let's get a lunch. You know what it is with this tunnel. Jesus. What is that noise? Sounds creepy, whatever it is. Ew! Fuck wrong with that truck, man? If anybody got the reference. Leon's intake sound good. intake sound good. Your intake sound good. Make sure ain't no copper bias. Down. I am gonna put in some directions real quick though. This nigga got face paint on? What the fuck I'm seeing? I was talking to my friend about this. Not just to sound like I'm fried or like I'm drugged out, but it's 8 billion people in the world, and it's 500,000 people that live in Atlanta. And the more you just look at some people, it's just like, sometimes it's hard to wrap your head around, like, yo, like this nigga right here, this guy right here. This man has his own life, own problems, family, all that type of stuff. And I think it's a word for that. Can't really remember. I think it's Sonder or something like that. But like, yeah, bro, it's kind of wild. Very, very, very wild. And then I be thinking too, like, 8 billion people in the world. Do y'all think y'all gonna call me fried, but do y'all think every single person is just real? Like, y'all think somebody is just like a bot or some shit, or like a clone, or just a soulless entity, if that's even. All right, what are we doing? Complimenting my car. How long we been going for? 17 minutes. The Irish exit. Feel a little bit of rain coming. I wanted to get a little. Let me see. And it is starting to rain, unfortunately. Bummer. So yeah, chat, I will probably end it right here. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.